Hey there folks, Peter here from BlackRock Business. It has been a wild and eventful month. I'm just checking in with you all. It is that time of the month we are going to do our free t-shirt drawing for the QuickBooks Point of Sale and QuickBooks Facebook groups. Oh my gosh, that was a mouthful. I don't know. I know you're hearing about, what's going on in the world from all angles, but I'll just let you know real quick a little bit about what I'm doing. It's been a wild and eventful month as far as retail shops being a little bit shuttered and closed down. So doing some big things in that department. A lot of people are taking this time to count their inventory and get that totally straight. Maybe with their new inventory counting scanners. We have those available if you need them. What else? Oh, so lots of people are like, oh man, I gotta close my store down, but we can still do curbside pickup or something like that in my state. So we've had an abundance of people checking out the online store connector that we work with. I'll probably have a link down below or up above or whatever. If you want to check that out, you can push your products from your QuickBooks point of sale into Shopify or 40 different other e-commerce platforms and have them totally synchronized as far as quantities, bi-directional synchronization, and you can process the orders from online and they end up in point of sale and flow through to your accounting. It's just super excellent. So don't forget to check that out or schedule a one-to-one demonstration question answer session. We'll have a link for that. Yeah, let's do this t-shirt thing. We're going to draw a t-shirt. I actually just happen to be wearing a t-shirt that I really like the design of. So that's going to be one of the designs you can choose from if you are the winner today in the QuickBooks t-shirt, free t-shirt drawing. And so here we go. What else? Oh, today is Friday and it is the last day for 50% off on point of sale software. If you want to get in on that, we'll have a link for that as well. I guess there's a lot going on right now, even though you'd think there's not a lot going on. But let's get to the t-shirts. We're going to draw the name in a moment. I'm going to say this is what I'm wearing here. This is t-shirt number 1. So if you win, you are going to have two choices. You can choose t-shirt number 1 or t-shirt number 2. We'll try and get a hold of the winner, and we'll have 7 days to claim this prize. If you are the winner, I will do my best to get a hold of you if at all possible, but we do need to have you claim it within 7 days, and give me your size and where to send it to, and we'll get you that t-shirt out there. So we got t-shirt option number 1, super fashionable, awesome circle design. And then t-shirt number 2 is a little bit more subtle. It's a little lighter. We got the gray going on. And so here is that right now. We got heathered gray and this pretty cool little design here. I'm sorry you're probably hearing all my computer dings and dongs and rings and bing bongs all day long. So sorry you're getting to hear some of that. Lots of notifications all the time. So option number 1 and option number 2. All right, we're going back to the wheel of names, and I'm gonna spin it here, and we're gonna find out the winner. Ready? Here we go. We got almost just under 200 participants in this. If you wanted to participate in this and you live in the United States, let me know. Dress It Up. All right, this is a business company name winner. So whoever Dress It Up is, we'll try and get a hold of you and contact you, and we'll send out your free t-shirt, and you will need to let me know where to send it, as well as option number 1 and option number 2. Which one do you want? So if you are the owner or manager or whoever at Dress It Up and you are part of our Facebook group, you go ahead and get a hold of me, and we will get you moving with your free QuickBooks t-shirt. All right, my name's Peter with BlackRock Business. Don't forget, order your inventory scanners if you want to update your inventory and get it all straight. Jump over and schedule a one-to-one session with our e-commerce online store synchronization integration. It's so excellent. It works wonders if you're trying to get online with your store. It makes everything work correctly. And then don't forget, today, 50% off on new QuickBooks point of sale software, new or add a user or add a store or upgrade, whatever you have you get 50% off of the software. You also get a free payments pin pad, which is normally $350. All right, my name's Peter with BlackRock Business. I hope you have an excellent May Day. Hooray! All right, bye-bye now.